Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Queen, and I'm excited to be back here today with you. Today I will be attempting a wispy look. So at first I was going to do short to medium cat eye, but after looking at her eyes in the shape of, Ayana's eyes, I decided, you know what, I think I should just do one length wispy. So I did show you two types of lashes, but I wound up just going straight 20Ds, nothing more, nothing less. These are all 20D mediums that I'm doing on her. I decided to do a look that is super natural, not too heavy, because I wanted to show that that can happen too. It looks really pretty on her eyes. So as you see, I'm adding the 20Ds all the way across the eye. And I feel like the eye shape was perfect for the look that, I'm going to do and accomplish on her. So I know many of you have probably been watching and wondering, like, this woman is always talking about individual eyelashes and etc. whatever. But individual eyelashes are super cool, man. You keep your lashes, these again stay on for a while, 2, 3, 4 weeks, depending on how well you take care of them. And again, there's no fills that are needed. So as I'm doing the individuals, I'm starting to notice that I'm starting to love them more and more, and happy that I'm getting back into the rhythm of doing these. If you watch any of my other videos, you've seen that I've tried different techniques. I've tried megas, I've tried spiky, I've done a heavy wisp, and now these are going to be a natural wispy. I can't wait for you guys to see the end of it. So we was talking up a storm, just talking about a lot of things in life or whatever. She's the sweetest. I'm sure that you guys have seen Ayana in a lot of videos, and she's an amazing actress. But yeah, so it was an honor to do her lashes and take care of her. So as you see, we have one eye done here. Look at that. It's already starting to come together. And yeah, I love it. You guys sit here and watch and see and pay attention, and I'll be back. As you see, I'm back. So as you see, I'm brushing the top of the lash or the glue so that I can try to bond her lashes onto the glue. I know it looked like a lot of glue, but it really isn't. It just helps to hold the lash onto her hairs And here's the results right there before I nano. So now I'm about to nano her so that it can bond the lashes. I like to use my nano because I think it's cute, and I think it also helps with holding on to the lash. It's with bonder and water, and you just give it a quick little nano, and of course spoolie it in. I learned the hard way before. I didn't spoolie before, and before it was sitting on the hairs, and it made the lashes look like it had like water dew on it. So yeah, so comb it in, brush it in with the spoolie, make sure that it is. So I take my tweezer just to squeeze and push the lashes in a little bit more so that it connects, and to help, with a light bend. When she wakes up, it'll be bend perfectly because she went to sleep in it. It bends according to your eye shape or whatever. So look at that. So here's the end results. Closed and open. We got that nice wispy, not too heavy lash going on. Ooh, she winked at all of us. But look at that. It looks so good. I love it. And here's a video of her end results, of her feeling herself. Yes, Ayana, give it. And the nice little picture. Thank you guys for tuning into my channel again. Like, subscribe, share. I'll be back. Peace, peace.